Hey, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel, the creative hub where we turn imagination into reality. Today's video is extra special because we're diving into the world of Squid Game 2, the highly anticipated sequel that's set to premiere today. I couldn't contain my excitement, so I decided to create a one-of-a-kind poster to celebrate the upcoming release. Stick around, because this journey is going to be epic. As we all eagerly await the premiere of Squid Game 2, I wanted to channel the suspense and thrill into a custom poster. Join me as I walk you through my creative process, from brainstorming ideas to bringing them to life. Now, let's talk inspiration. The first season of Squid Game left us on the edge of our seats, and I'm expecting nothing less from the sequel. I'm drawing inspiration from key elements of the show, and these will be the building blocks of my design. Grab your sketchbooks, because it's time to put pencil to paper. I'll be creating out different ideas, playing with compositions, and figuring out how to capture the essence of Squid Game 2 in a single image. Feel free to follow along and share your thoughts in the comments. Colors play a crucial role in conveying emotions. For this poster, I'm leaning towards specific colors to evoke the intensity and mystery of Squid Game. Let me know in the comments if you have any color suggestions or if you're as excited as I am about the color choices. Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and let's craft something extraordinary together. As we near the end of the poster creation, I'll add the finishing touches that bring everything together. Whether it's highlighting certain elements, adding texture, or refining the details, each step is essential to make this poster a true work of art. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey. Squid Game 2 is just around the corner, and I hope this poster adds to the excitement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future creative adventure. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating.